Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we are going to unbox something really nice, which is this. So the Bugatti Bolide. So I know people are going crazy over this casting from last year, and even in last year's box we got only one in the box, and this year also it's the same. The only thing is it has a shitty recolor. The blue one looked really amazing. So I don't know if the official one actually has a yellow color. I know it has a blue version, but I don't know if the official car actually has a yellow version. If it does, my opinion would be it looks really shitty. It looks like someone actually pooped and painted on top of it. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one actually looks in hands. Okay, here it is. Okay, so we did do unboxing of the blue one previously, I think around last year, end of last year. So here is one more time. So the initial impressions of this particular casting of this year. Okay, casting wise it looks really nice, it looks good, but paint job wise, as usual, you can see it is getting worse and worse nowadays. You can see some paint smeared here, the black ones, that is not damage, that is just paint job didn't go well. Same here. So the headlights are painted, at least they did this for this car, else it would look really shit. So the details here, it looks really nice. I don't know if in the original car this is actually air intake or it is just the aerodynamics they are having here, to keep the car, held to the ground. So Lamborghini does that actually. They have some kind of some arrow. I don't know what it is now. I'm forgetting that. Okay. The exhaust detail looks really nice. The tail lights are there, which looks really nice. And if you guys are wondering, the whole body is made of metal, especially the wings as well. I mean, the spoilers as well. So this part here, the cockpit here, which is made of plastic, the entire thing here. This is frosted one, and this is the normal see-through plastic. And the chassis is made of plastic as well. So these rims are pretty standard nowadays. So let's do a roll test real quick and see how this one rolls. Okay, it rolls really nice. It does have some wheel wobble on both wheels, but it still rolls really nice, which is a really good thing. Given that, the actual Bolide is like they mentioned, it is going to, it can beat the F1 cars in track. So at least it is good. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.